so that I can have a much better picture view. So I'm going to unbox this with you guys today. I just got it. I'm excited. And this actual ring light is for the Android phone or iPhone or whatever you do your videos on. If you use your phone opposed to a camera, I guess you can use a camera with this as well. I should have had a knife to open this, but guess what? The struggle is real, and I'm going to open it up. Because guess what? I'm strong like that. I can do it. Alright. Here we go, guys. I'm going to get it open. Get it open. And let's see what's inside this box. Alright. We're open. Oh, this is not something else I had to work. That has nothing to do with this video. Okay? Alright. So it came in all boxed up in there so they could be held tightly. So this is the ring light here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're going to open it to see exactly what this ring light is working with. And this ring light has a actual plug that you can plug into your phone, and you can start your videos and pause your videos and so many different things. I bought this on Amazon. So I forgot how much I paid for it. I'll put the price up here. Okay, so this is the piece that you actually hold your phone with, or whatever contraption you're going to use. I'm going to open this up. Okay, so it stretches out. This is it. Like that. So you can put your phone on there. I don't know that it stretches out far enough, because this doesn't look like it stretches out far enough for my phone at all. I don't know. And this is the piece that you use to put on the pod to help you swerve your phone any type of way. You want to throw that back in there. This is all part of the same contraption. So I guess this goes like this. This goes in here. This little circle snaps up in there like that. And then you tighten it up. Boom, boom, boom. And that piece is put together. Alright. So, this is the stand. Now, I don't know how tall this is. I think it's 4 feet. It's supposed to be 4 feet. So, let's see. So, that's 1. 2, it snaps in place. Oh, wait a minute. This don't look like no 4 feet to me, honey. Because this right here. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, it is. So I gotta loosen this up. And bring this out. Oh, man, this thing gonna have we're gonna have a fight. I see it coming in. That's how it comes out. Like that. This is kind of short to me. This isn't very tall. It's not as tall as I thought it was going to be. It's kind of short. Look at that. You would have to sit this on top of something. Right? So what is this? Oh, okay. This is the piece that you are supposed to use. Oh, look at this. These contraptions right here aren't very adjustable. I don't see how you can stick your phone into this piece here. I really don't see it. Because my phone is much wider than this. I don't see how that's going to work. I don't see it working. I just don't. So this piece here, look, I'm just trying to piece stuff together. My hair is all in my face. It's getting on my nerves. Okay, so this is the ring. I think I'm going to have to end up using my ring on a different stand. This is the ring. So this goes here. Not sure. I'm not sure, guys. I am really not sure. Let me tighten this up. Instruction. Maybe I should use that, huh? Alright. Blah, 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 blah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So. This goes this way on the phone. But I'm not going to use this. I think I'm going to use the one that I currently have because I don't see this as, this is just not good. It's not good. These aren't good to me. This little contraption right here is not wide enough. This should have more give to it. It should be, you could put your phone either way, this way or this way, but you only can go this way with it, and that's not even as wide as a phone to me. Especially if you have your phone in the case. So that right there is a, these, no, absolutely not. But anyway, this is supposed to go on here, like that. Right? Either way, you can, it's two ways you can put it. You can do it this way or this way. So let's put it on this way. And screw this on. Get on there nice and stable. And see how that's supposed to stretch up to a point where you can get your phone on there? Just not enough for me. This right here is adjustable. We want to straighten this up. I was trying to figure out where the ring light goes. Okay. So it's a piece on the back. And I'm not sure if you use this. For that, I'm not sure, but I know it goes like that. I feel like there's a piece missing. I'm not sure. Wait a minute, guys. Let me see if I can figure this out and come back to you. Just, I don't know. Because this seems so weird to me. It just seems weird. Alright, guys. Just give me a second. Hold on for a second. Alright, guys. I'm back. I think I figured it out. So, that little contraction that I showed you before, it goes like on here. So, let me show you. This piece here goes around the pole. So I'm going to take it off so you can see. See that? So you put it around the pole. You open it up, and it was kind of difficult getting on. This stuff is crazy. And you put that on the pole. Then you take this metal piece, and you take the little piece, and you snap it into place, and this little black piece flat, you flip it back, and that stabilizes that. So, oh, and I took that off. I'm sorry, I unwound that. This right here, it goes on top of here. This in here. So there's a piece there that you can make sure that you're putting this in here right. Alright. See how that looks? Your phone will go here. Right? this right here goes into your phone. A piece of your phone. And you plug it in. You use an adapter. Because there's an on and off button here. So you use an adapter and you plug this in. Right? This is your little button when you're starting and stopping your video. So I'm going to put the little piece. That's cute though. Put the little piece in here. And it goes through here. Thread that. And that's done. Let me put this back in here. Right. And they gave you a couple of other little contraptions here. I guess that's to try and make your pieces a little taller if you need it taller, what have you. I don't know too much about this thing, guys. I'm going to play around with it, is what I'm going to do, and see how it goes, but I'm not really satisfied with the height. I thought it was going to be taller. It's kind of sturdy. It's not real sturdy. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. I guess if you want just a little extra lighting on your videos, you can just use this. But it's not as it's just not as tall as I thought it was gonna be. It's not. So I'm kind of like disappointed with that. This thing. So I'm gonna see if I can use it on the stand that I currently have, and see if that works out for me, because I just need the extra lighting when I'm doing my videos. Alright guys, this is not a good one. This is a bad video because it's all over the place. My daughter's sitting over here with her hair looking like Michael Jackson and the Wiz.
I gotta sing that thing again.
You can see me right there. Okay. Shake my head. You know what? See her in the mirror? See her in the mirror? Looking like Michael Jackson and the Wiz, and she's laughing at me because this video is all over the place. And I don't know what I do with my, look at that. I'm just disappointed with this. I am. I'm not very happy. I'm just not a happy camper. Look at this. I just threw stuff all over the place. Let me put this in here, and I'm just not a happy camper with this. We'll see. I'll try and do a video with it and see what becomes of it. I don't know if this right here, this piece here goes up. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay. Let me shut up. All right. My bad. I didn't see that piece. It's tall. I didn't see that piece. I only saw that one piece. It's taller than, yeah, it's 4 feet. So, let me shut up. Let me shut up. Let me shut my mouth.
Shut up your mouth.
Okay. Alright. So then I need to put this up here. This goes up here. Alright. Alright, guys. Let me get off. I'm just we'll see how this works. We'll see how this works. I'm going to do a video with this ring light, and we're going to see how it works. Okay, guys. I'm back. I finally got it together. I know I said bye. I know. But anyway, I finally got the light to come on, so it's on now. So it has 3 different lightings. It has. So I have it plugged up. So that's one, right? You have a warm. You can dim it. You can make it brighter. It's a plus and a minus sign. And look at that. That's a different lighting. It has different lightings. See that? So I like the warm glow. It's like a daylight. It's really nice. It's not a bad stand. I'm not sure how my phone is gonna do sitting on this. So hopefully that'll work. I think I have to program my phone to the camera shutter, because this is a camera shutter, so I'm not sure how that works either. Okay, that's on. So you turn it on and somehow it connects to your phone, but you gotta connect it to your phone. So I don't know, it's a 180-degree platform head, so you can change the platform head 180 degrees. It's not a bad tripod. It's really not. You have a warm yellow glow, you have a warm white glow, and then you have a white glow. So you got 3 glows on here. I'm just reading the instructions. It tells you how to set the little key thing up. I mean, the manual's here. It's not a whole lot. It says turn on the power button, locate the side remote. Turn the pairing remote. So you got to pair it to your smartphone. So you have to pair it to your smartphone, like I said. It's not bad. It's not bad. I don't know how well, like I said, I don't know how it's going to do with my phone. But we're going to see. We're going to see. So I'm going to try this thing out during a video. For my next unboxing, I'm going to be using my lighting. Is what I'm going to do. Alright guys, I have got to go. Now, for real, I have got to go. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.